graphics and everything else.
And that would also linger on the fact that Michelle felt very...
Doesn't want to buy me ice cream because this Flutter thing is annoying me. I think the man is even gone right now. Good pass again.
Site for Flutter. You can explore this website and you will basically be able to see what all projects were built in Flutter. Right now we want to install Git. So go to this website git/scm.com and you can directly write Git also on Google. So
my conclusion is to stop because I just keep on getting more and more frustrated. The videos are not doing anything and the internet isn't working as well. I will try to do this later in the evening. So that's really frustrated me because I've spent over 30 minutes just going over and over the same things. These videos are not going anywhere. Plus the network, they just keep on loading, making me more frustrated. Otherwise, I'll continue this later. Hi guys, so it's 2 days later and I still haven't downloaded Flutter. That's because I don't have bundles. In Flutter it's like almost 1 GB. On top of it, I need to download a lot of things on Android Studio. Android Studio is a very expensive thing. It's a very expensive IDE. I need to use that one because it has emulators and so that I can test what I'm working on an actual device. That's what I'm going to be using Android Studio. But otherwise, I don't have a Gradle. I don't know. I think I deleted my Gradle. For now, all I can do is draw the structure of how I want things to look, and I worked on that for a couple of hours. I was using Dribble to help me come up with different ideas on how I want different pages to look. I worked on the login page, forgot password page, user account page, home page, and the side navigation bar only, because those are the only things I'm going to be working on this week. So I was just watching videos on how to use Sketch, how to design, because if I do design in there, all the assets I'm going to have, I can just import into Android Studio. Coming up with designs isn't the easiest thing if you're not a very creative person, which I'm not. So this is why Dribble has been really helpful. I just need to understand how Sketch works, then my design will look okay. I don't think there's anything else I would do towards this project. Otherwise, it's quite expensive. it. My Flutter is finally working. Things I managed to accomplish. I think I managed to accomplish 90% of the things I set out to do. This week all I was meant to do was set up the environment for developing this app, which I have finally successfully done. So for the Flutter environment, I finally managed to set it up. It's finally working. But ever since I got it, I was having issues with my Gradle. It wasn't building anything. It kept on giving me the same error for days. I tried to use YouTube, I tried to use Stack Overflow. I googled it so many times, but nothing was actually working. Today, something finally worked. So finally, I'm able to build and see what I'm working on. That was like a big problem, because I would do something and I can't see what I'm working on. So yes, finally a big win. I didn't want to use VS Code because I have never used VS Code. I'm just more comfortable with IntelliJ, and that's actually worked. I also managed to come up with just a simple basic structure. Whatever you saw me come up with the time I was playing around with Figma is not what I have right now. What I will end up with at the end of all this, by the time I'm presenting my project, it's going to be a whole different thing. So I know the designs will change, but I have gotten so used to Figma. Figma is such a fun place to design apps. Figma is such a fun place to do design and all that. I'm just trying to figure out how I'm going to now convert that into codes. It's easy to do drag and drop, copy and paste if you're just designing, but making it will be a whole different thing. I've kind of cute designs. I've designed up to 5 pages, and that's what I'm going to be working on next week, because I'm not going to be working on basic user authentication and data storage. So I'm going to design 5 pages, and that's what I'm going to be working on next week. And after that, that's when I can start working on all my core features. But I'm happy. This week I've accomplished what I set out to do. The main reason I am doing all this recording is just to keep myself accountable, making sure I do what I need to do, because I've been avoiding it for so long. Now I need to actually start working on it. So you guys are going to be carried along this journey with me. Yeah, that's what you guys are here to do. Keep me accountable, making sure I'm doing my work. And I think it's like working, because I've been able to do 90% of the tasks I was supposed to do this week. So this will bring us to the end of week 1's vlog. On to week 2. I hope I will see you guys in the next video. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Please give me advice. Please give me all your advice. I do need it. If you got any advice, please leave it in the comment section box below. It will be much appreciated. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe down below, and please to turn on the post notification bell while you are down there. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!